Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Superfluid token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Superfluid SUP is a decentralized protocol that enables real-time continuous transfer of value known as money streaming on blockchain networks. Core protocol, it functions as programmable financial infrastructure for streaming payments, salaries and rewards by the second. Governance token, SUP is the native token used for governing the protocol and distributing ecosystem rewards through continuous streams. Open and composable, built as open source non-custodial infrastructure that any developer can integrate to add dynamic cash flow to applications. Superflow project institution rating is 4.2. Superflow token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 102.23 million SUP token. SUP token is listed on Coinbase and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.